Here it comes again, and a swing and a miss. Davis struck him out.
Well, Roberts is going to have Jim Wolf go with the other umpires. It's not reviewable, but they can talk about it if anyone saw it on the field.
A lot of these super slow-mo cameras that can slow it down as we can now. So as technology increases. Oh my goodness. Did he just call it a foul ball?
Oh,
he
wow.
did. He just called it a foul ball.
That's ridiculous. Can't change it.
Mike Winter's just a casual toss of Joe Maddon. And a swing and a miss. And no foul ball.